Good day guys, this is your tutor engineer. Today we are continuing with our series on geometry. Let's start with today's lesson. In the diagram below, DC is parallel to BF, DF is parallel to CB, and AF is equal to FB. Question number 1, what kind of quadrilateral is DCBF? So here is DCBF. You can see that it's a parallelogram. So we can write the first question as parallelogram. Then the second question, prove that DC is equal to AF. Here is DC, here is AF. To prove that they are equal, we've been given that AF is equal to FB. That one is given to us. And we know that since we have a parallelogram, DC is equal to FB, opposing sides of a parallelogram. Since both AF and DC are equal to FB, we can conclude that AF is equal to DC. Coming to the next question, prove that triangle AFE is congruent to triangle CDE. So here is AFE, here is CDE. Prove that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, since we've got two parallel lines here, DC is parallel to AB, we can say, let's just choose a different color for that. We can say that this angle is equal to that angle. The reason for that is alternating angles. So basically angle C is equal to angle A. Let's call it C1, 2. So C1 is equal to angle A, alternating angles. And remember, we've already proven that AF and DC are equal. So let's just write that one down for this question and say it's proven. And then we can also say, lastly, as the final condition of congruency, this angle is equal to this angle. The vertically opposite sides is the reason. So angle E1 is equal to angle E2. The reason, vertically opposing sides. Sorry, vertical opposing angles. Let's just remove the side and say vertically opposing angles. Okay, let's go to question 8.11.4. Let's choose a different color for 8.11.4. Prove that triangle ABC, is triangle ABC, is congruent to triangle CDE. Not congruent, they're actually similar. So we're proving a condition of similarity. So we can say, from what we know, we've already said that C1 is equal to angle A. So let's write that one down. C1 is equal to angle A. Our reason was those were alternating angles. And then what else can we point out? We can say angle D is equal to angle B. Okay, let's just scroll down a little. Angle D is equal to angle B. the reason opposing angles of a parallelogram are equal. And then we just need one more condition to prove similarity. That condition would be angle E1 is equal to angle C2. Those are alternating angles. So you can say here angle E1 is equal to angle C2 reason alternating angles. So we can therefore conclude that since all three angles are equal, triangle ABC is similar to triangle CDE. The reason for that, angle, angle, angle. So let's move to the next question. In the sketch below, PQ and PR are equal. So let's just mark, let's use a black color for that. So PQ and PR are equal, and then PT and RS are equal. Here is PT, here is RS, they are equal. So prove that triangle PQT is, here is PQT is congruent to triangle RPS, here is RPS. Okay, now let's choose a color blue for that. What do we have? We've already been given PQ is equal to PR. That's given, those long sides here. And then PT is equal to TR, also given. We just need to prove one more condition. You can see that these two sides are parallel, QP and RS. Therefore, let's call that angle P1 and 2 is P1 is equal to angle R. So going to say P1 is equal to angle R. The reason for that, they are alternating angles. So the conclusion is triangle PQT is congruent to triangle RPS. The reason, side, angle, side. So we've come to the end of our lesson for today. If you liked the lesson, please subscribe and stay tuned on the next lesson on geometry. Cheers.